We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Namaste, dear student. Welcome to Pharmajosh YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the human heart. Human heart. Here you can see this is the schematic diagram of human heart. The heart is the most important part of the human body. So let us start with first introduction. Introduction. The human heart is hollow मस्कुलर ऑर्गन दैट मे बी अंदर से ये हार्ट जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं जैसे नारियल की तला. दैट मीन्स के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं होता. दैट मीन एंड इट इज मेनली मेकअप ऑफ द मस्कुलर ऑर्गन दैट मेनली मेकअप ऑफ मसल्स. यहाँ पे कोई बोन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. सेकंड थिंग, द हार्ट इज द कॉम्प्लेक्स मस्कुलर पंप. मस्कुलर पंप एक्ट एज अ पंप. दैट मीन्स के हम जानते हैं जो मोटर उसको बोलते हैं पंप, जो पानी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे लेके जाती है. सेम एज अ हार्ट वर्किंग एज अ मस्कुलर पंप. मसल जो होते हैं वो पंप की तरह काम करते हैं और दो ट्रांसफर द मसल, दो ट्रांसफर द ब्लड फ्रॉम द हार्ट टू डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. सो वी कैन से दिस इज अ मस्कुलर पंप. द वेट ऑफ द हार्ट इज अराउंड 300 grams and size of the heart around fist. that means हमारी मुट्ठी जितनी उसकी साइज होती है हार्ट की. the heart maintain the blood pressure of the body. it also maintain the blood pressure of our body. and heart pump about 1 lakhs time per day. पूरे दिन में 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा बार वो हार्ट हमारा बीट करता है. and heart can move 7,200 liters of blood every day. that means 1,900 gallons of the blood heart pump throughout the whole body. just here we have to thinking 7,200 liter of the blood, those are pumped in a per day. this is the capacity of heart. that means हमारे घर के पानी का टंकी भी 5-7 हजार लीटर तक की होती है. उससे भी ज़्यादा पंपिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द हार्ट इन पर डे. due to this we should maintain our heart. so let us start with this is the basic introduction of heart. so here you can see this is the diagram of heart, a neat label diagram of heart, and here this you can see this is the original diagram of the heart. let us first start with the anatomy of heart. in this we discuss first one location of heart, second thing just covering layer of heart, third one this is the layer of heart, fourth one this is chamber of heart, and fifth one this is the wall of heart. so this is the 5 things is most important we have to discuss in the anatomy of heart. first we discuss about the location of heart. according to this photograph we are very well known about the where is the location of heart. in this photograph here you can see this is the these here this is we can say this is the heart. this is the heart. the blue coloration of we have to find out this is heart. let us think. first the heart is located between the 2 lungs. first one here you can see dotted coloration, dotted thing we have to find out. this is we can say this is the lungs. this is the 2 lungs, right lungs and left lung. in this right and left lung in between we have to find out the heart. so this is the first location of heart. second thing, behind the sternum here you can see this is the this road like structure of the bone. we can say this is the sternum. behind the sternum, sternum के नीचे हमारा हार्ट आया हुआ है. so we can say this is the behind the sternum. this is the secondary location of heart. Third thing, above the diaphragm, here the black coloration of line, here you have to see this black coloration of line, this we can say this is the sternum, and this sternum, above the sternum, sternum से थोड़ा ऊपर हार्ट का लोकेशन है, this is the third location also we can say. Fourth one, the center is located about 1.5 centimeter to the left of the mid-sagittal plane. That means mid-sagittal plane. That means the here this portion here we can say this mid-sagittal portion of the human body. In this mid-sagittal portion of the human body, the slightly left on side around 1.5 centimeter from here. This is the location of heart. So here, according to this diagram, you are very well known about where is the location of heart. Once again, between the two lungs, ये जो lungs दिख रहे हैं उसके बीच में heart आया हुआ है. दूसरा thing, ये जो sternum दिख रहा है जो रोड जैसा उसके नीचे heart है. Third one, this is the diaphragm है जहाँ से पेट की शुरुआत होती है उसके ऊपर heart आया हुआ है. और fourth one, the slightly left on side of our body around 1.5 centimeter from the middle portion of the body. This is the location of heart. Next, द हार्ट पोजिशन इन द थॉरैक्स, दैट मीन रिब्स में कहाँ पे हार्ट आया हुआ है. तो हमको पता है कि ये जो स्टर्नम के नीचे हार्ट है. स्टर्नम इज द मेन पार्ट दोज अटैच्ड विथ रिब्स. यहाँ पे रिब्स अटैचमेंट है. रिब्स स्टार्टिंग जो होती है यहाँ से, द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द हार्ट, दिस वन रिब्स, दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द हार्ट, एंड सिक्स्थ रिब्स इज द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द हार्ट. In this, the last point we also get the apex. This apex, those are attached to fifth ribs of our human body. Our ribs, this is the location of heart. Thank you very much for watching video on Pharmajosh. Thank you very much.